everyone. Today, I will be talking about religion, marriage religion. You see, sometimes, even when you come from the same place or the same country, the religion, if you not come from the same religion, it is hard to marry. It is too difficult. But not somebody foreigner, you want marry somebody will come from another land and the religion not dey the same. E go dey too difficult to come together. Even if una understand una sef, but so long una not get the same religion, e go hard and e go dey too difficult to live together. Okay, let's go started. I fit say friend, I fit say sister, I fit say so long you and the person not get misunderstanding and una dey good, so you fit call the person sister or you fit call am friend. Okay, like this woman, he know im husband during im school days. Then is the same university, everything. So na there dem know theirself, na there dem meet. But na different religion na dem get. So when he know this man come tell am say okay, dem come marry. When they marry, this man tell am say the religion no matter, e no mean. So long everybody respects, wait from heart, say from heart, na be religion. Not say you go say I be this, I be that, I be that. He say no. He say religion na from heart. Na so he tell him wife. So him wife believe. He say he no fit say make him wife live in religion because of am, and he no fit live in own religion because of the woman. The woman accept. So before they finish the university, the man dey study medicine the same with the woman. Na medicine both of them dey study. So before they finish the university, they come marry. And during this time when they marry, this woman never communicate with this man parents once. The man say because even if the woman want communicate with people, they no dey understand her. He say so why then? So no need. And he no wan go back to him country again. He wan live with the woman from the same place. So the woman no worry. The woman come dey take am like wetin as the man tell am, the woman accept am like that. So when they finish the course, finish their study, the man come dey work, come gain employment for general hospital, while the woman come dey work for private hospital. So then they live like that. But this man dey communicate with him people every time. But he not let this woman say why then? Even if you talk to him mother now, you know the woman, him mother no go understand you. So why then you want say no need for that one? So the woman accept, and the woman listen to him husband because the husband say in religion na from heart. So the woman take everything wey this man tell am. But one thing when everybody go understand, even if una come from the same country, like I said, and different religion, e dey too difficult. Talk less foreign person. So when the pikin, the woman daughter don be 5 years, something like that, na im husband call am one day, come tell am say look, im mother dey sick and im na doctor. So im wan travel go im land, make im go see im mother, make im treat am, do everything. Im go stay maybe at least 2 weeks, then im go come back. And if im wan go, im go like make im take im daughter along, make im daughter go see im people, make im know where im from come. So na the woman say instead wey the daughter go, she go still like to go too. Then the man say okay, if you say this way, im go accept, im go agree. So after na the woman say okay, make dem put am when im get im vacation. So the man agree. When the time of the vacation don reach, na the man come tell the woman say okay, make dem prepare, make dem go know im land. So this woman come buy book when e go take dey read, when he go take understand the language, the man in husband language. When they travel now, so before they wan go, na the man come tell am say, look, if they come back, he go like make dem stay big house, because he want big apartment this time, so that im people go fit sometimes come dey visit am, because since he no wan stay in land again. So he come tell im wife like that, say, so this house wey dem dey, make dem sell am before dem go this vacation. Na the woman agree. Then this man sell everything. When this man sell everything, transfer everything, the money, everything, to im personal account, to im country. But this woman no dey aware of that one. But this woman know say dem don sell the house, sell everything wey dem get. Then this man, dem fly. As soon as dem reach this man country, then this woman see something different. When dem dey embrace the man, dem leave this woman behind, he with im daughter. Nobody come embrace am. So and after some, the woman come go meet im husband. Then im husband come say make dem see im wife. So when dem wan enter, dem wan go home now, the woman surprise say na 2 cars dem bring. And those 2 cars, the man luggage, dem put am for one car. Why this woman luggage and im daughter own, dem put am for one different car. So the man and the people wey follow am, the men, dem enter one car. Why this woman with her daughter stay another car, dem drive home. As dem just reach the house, na there things change. This woman surprise, why that thing? She no know anybody for that land. Nobody e know. Even the language na problem to her. The man wey for dey help am, dey support am, tell her say, see, the man just be like say distance, he just give am distance as they just come down from airport. So from there, when they reach the man house, they carry the woman load and the daughter load, put for one room. Why the man load, they put her for another room. So they just be like say they separate them this time. So the woman no understand wetin really dey happen and why things can't just change like this. So the woman now, even to speak with her husband, na problem now. The man now don, men dey this side, while women dey this side. Now the woman say, well, he no know the tradition or the religion different. He say, so maybe na their religion. So the woman dey inside room, one room there. So after about few minutes, one lady come meet this woman, tell her say, okay, make it come, now they wan eat. The woman say when they wan serve food, he said though the food full everywhere, he said but they come put pillow, something like pillow for ground like this. So she sit. Im own daughter now no sit by her, they just take im own daughter. He said dem dey unfriendly to her. He said dem dey unfriendly to her. Im daughter, he said they just drag her for hand. He said na here they don hold im daughter like this one, drag am go where children dey, make she sit with the children, make she he say he surprised, say why this thing go be like this. Then he na sit down with women, but im husband no dey. He say he no know wetin dey happen. He say na one lady. So the lady dey hear English, so the lady come dey translate, dey talk with her. He say finally he come discover say this lady na from im own land na the lady come from. Say na the lady come dey tell her say na the religion be this. So men go dey their own side while women go dey their own side. Now he say no, im daughter dey cry. Im dey hear im daughter, the cry of im daughter. Say he no fit let the first day, he no fit just let im daughter go dey eat with those people wey he no know and notice im daughter dey cry. At least somebody dey wey suppose to tell im daughter wetin to do. He suppose to sit by her side. So then she just get up, walk down to where im husband dey. He go carry im daughter for where im daughter dey with other children. They go meet im husband. So as he go meet im husband now, he come dey talk to im husband for years. He say na one of the men there wey sit down. He say im husband no talk, im husband just dey look am. He no reply nothing he tell am. He say then na one of the men wey dey where im husband dey come dey talk. As he dey talk, then later they come invite the other woman when they hear her own language. they go call that one. That one come call and say, look, they say you do not get respect. Say they go punish you for this thing wey you do. You're not supposed to come when men dey. Say you're not supposed to come there to come talk. Say this one do not get respect. Say they can't tell this woman like that. That's what say wetin be say no get respect for wetin he see the way the first day only one day when he don reach there. See the treatment wey dem give am. He say so. He say him husband not still talk, but now one man among all of the men there na dey talk. So that lady come take her. She come say she no go fit eat. She no fit feed anything. He say after everything, then him husband come meet her, come tell her say, look, he know say this thing dey strange to you. He go try to explain, but one thing na in land in dey make you respect in religion. Na he tell her say, he know in the wetin you first tell am before dem marry. You say you no go force am. He say if anything, if you respect your religion, but make you respect him as na the first day you suppose to respect him, put him through, tell him wetin to do, not just like you go just abandon him for the first day. He said the man go tell am say okay, by the next day he go explain everything to am. So somebody dey wey go dey translate everything to am, wey go dey tell am wetin dey happen. Na she come agree. So that night, she and him daughter sleep one room while him husband dey separate place. So the next day morning, somebody tap him door. Come tell her say okay, say now make she come. Now he come say he wan speak with him husband. He dey waka dey go where him husband. They tell her say no, not so, not so. So she come back. So during that period, na that lady come tell her say, look, he get wetin he wan tell you. He say just forget say you wan go back. He don dey stay there 40-something years. He dey this condition wey you dey so. Na this situation wey you dey so, na he dey for 40-something years back. He come with him husband, then he surprise he no fit go back again. Say na he dey. He say he pass all this treat. He don pass all these ones. The treatment he don. He say but now he no dey feel am again. He don be part of them now. He say so. Now this one come say he no go. This lady come say he no go fit take am. If na so, he go go back. He say okay, if you talk so. So when him husband come now, he come the woman come dey talk to him husband say he no go fit live like this. If na so, he go back. He wan go back. He no go. Now the man say okay, if you wan go back, okay, but you no go back with him daughter. Now the man say wetin you dey talk so? He say you no go back with him daughter. If you wan go, you go alone. Na then the problem start. So the woman come dey just normal as the woman come dey shout, dey holla, dey do. Na the man mother just come out. He not talk. After about 20 minutes, the man na just hold her for arm, drag her inside room, lock the door, carry the pikin comot. So then she dey 7 good days. She not come out for that room. Na that room he dey. They bring food come for her. They do everything. Na that room she just dey. Then the last day, wey complete 7 days, when they open the door for am, they don change all her things wey she bring come. They take her comot. They bring new clothes, new things for her. This time they take her passport. Everything they take her from her. They give her new things wey she go dey wear. Na she take dey there, she come dey cry. Even communication to call im people, im parents, he say he no dey fit. And he remember the day when he wan leave. He say him father tell am say he get bad feelings of where she dey go. Say he get bad feelings. He say no, he dey go with your husband, only 1 month he go stay. But this 1 month, so he come surprise, he say he no wan go back again. They just wan lock her for there. Say so na that treatment he get for him journey. And because of this religion, difference of religion. He said if he know, because the man not tell him the right thing. He said if it's come, accept the man religion with what the man do, but the man not tell him like that. And most of the man tell him say he know they go back to his country. But wetin the man can do at the long last, he trick am. Everything a lie. Not knowing say the house where the man they talk say if they come a bigger this thing they want go take. Not knowing say the man sell all him things. Just push everything go home. Just trick her. He say so he no worry. Even to call im own parents, he no go fit. When he wan call im own parents, somebody go sit by her, make him for no talk anything, because im husband don threa ten am. Say if she wan go, she fit go back, but dat im daughter, she no fit take am go back. He say no worry. Say with the help of this im country woman wey dey with am for there, na the woman come help am. He come give am im parents telephone number. So dat one come call im parents. So im parents na come call their embassy. So the embassy come do everything. So the day when he wan comot, he no let, when he wan run comot for the country, he no let nobody know. Even im husband no know. Na just trick say he wan go walk round. But before this time, that lady come advise am say, look, if you want make you dey free, pretend like say you don't know wetin dey happen. Pretend say you don join the religion, you don accept everything wey your husband dey tell you. So when she come think that thing, say na that sense he do. And this time e don pass 3 months. 1 month vacation when he wan go don pass 3 months when she dey there. Even if he wan call im parents, he go tell im parents, because im husband go dey there, somebody else go dey with her. He go tell husband say no, he dey okay. He wan just find new home. He wan find new life. He wan live here. He wan do this one. It's then im father come tell her say, not so she take dey talk. Even if you wan come, but why you no tell them? Say why they, if they wan call you, they no dey fit call you now. Only you dey fit reach them. So from there, im father come dey suspect. Till when this lady come help am, she come get communication with im parents. Then from there, im parents come communicate with embassy, their embassy. They come do everything on behalf of im husband. So the last day when he wan comot, he trick im husband say he wan go stroll, he wan take im daughter go stroll, make dem just walk around. Na im husband come accept. This time nobody gat to follow her, only her just go, because dem feel say she no fit go again. She don accept everything. And before this time, that 7th day when they release her, she no know say dem give am cloth make she wear. And that cloth, the time when they give am cloth make she wear, they say make he put on that thing, not knowing say im husband dey marry that very day again. When he ask im husband say, why you do this thing? Why you dey invite him after everything? When you never divorce am? Na the man tell am say for im land, if it marry as many as he want, so long if it take care of the women. So all those things dey disturb her. He say so when he just see the opportunity now, he just follow the wetin dem talk. Na so he take fly to embassies. That very day, na he leave that land. Say na he leave that land. So you see, sometimes if you wan marry, even if na the same person, the same country, but if na different religion, e dey difficult. Instead, one go come down for one. You either accept the man religion, or the man accept your own. If una wan live like different religion for one house, I think say e dey difficult. Too difficult. Too difficult. Talk less foreigner. So viewers, thanks for watching. If you like my video, just give me. If you like, subscribe. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day.